how to create QR code in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply copy the link of any particular web page for which you want to create the QR code, and after that open up Canva. Then select the option of applications or apps at the left hand side panel of Canva, and here search for QR code and select QR code over here. Then select this one which says QR code, the first one, and here it will ask you to enter the URL. You can simply paste the URL of your choice and click on this option of generate QR code. You can also customize the background color and foreground color of your QR code and also suggest the margins according to it. Then click on generate, and this is how the QR code will be generated. This is the QR code of my YouTube channel. You can just simply scan it up and subscribe to the channel. So this is my crypto channel, by the way. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.